Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Canon brand camera and it's giving you an ERR01 or a 01 error on your camera and you're trying to figure out what's going on and what you need to do to fix it. So if you're getting this error, that means that there is an issue with the communication between the camera and the lens. So there's really three things that you can do to get this problem fixed. The first thing you can do is just clean the lens, and clean the lens and clean the lens contacts where it connects to the camera, and see if that doesn't fix the problem. The second thing to do, if cleaning the lens contacts doesn't fix it, you can just reset your camera, do a hard reset on your camera where you're going to remove the battery, turn it off, remove the batteries, leave the batteries disconnect out of the camera for a full minute, put them back in, and see if that doesn't get rid of the error. And then finally, if you've cleaned the contacts, if you've reset the camera, you may need to actually replace the lens itself because there might be just something faulty within the lens. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.